Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Here is a new year picture poster. This file for Adobe Illustrator, that's mean EPS file. You can edit it in Adobe Illustrator, and this file is protected with password and password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK, and buy now in $2.99 for lifetime access. All password in this app. So you see here total is 19 poster. You can edit it in Adobe Illustrator. So open this. Okay, do not show again. Now you see here in layer area, click extract, group extract. Here is group and here is background. Group extract. Here is font. Here is text, Happy New Year. Here is circle. So you can edit one by one, or you can write anything, or you can write your company name, depend your own choice. That's mean these files are fully editable. You can edit or you can write anything. And same thing is here, Happy New Year. Okay. Extract. Here is background. Wow. Shadow. Okay, I write my name or delete it. First delete it. Sorry. Where text. Sheri SK. Recent font sizes. Move here. So you can adjust any font. Depend your own choice, you can write anything. That's mean you can edit this. Wow, all files are editable and password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now in $2.99 for lifetime access. Take care, of all.